The Great Cookie Bake, story by Adela, co-written by Lauren Picard. Hunny and Koko were lying in the warm sun, lazily snoozing and toasting their buns. "Do you smell that?" Hunny asked. "My sniffer smells baking," Koko replied. "It sure smells yummy." Along came their friend Elle, inviting them over for tea at her grandma's den. They entered the kitchen, and who did they see? Grandma Mary was home from her bakery. She exclaimed with joy, "Oh, how wonderful it is to see you three. Won't you join me while I bake cookies?" Elle and Hunny raced around the kitchen while Koko grabbed the sugar and measured out a pound, which might have been just a tad too much. "Whoa," said Grandma Mary, "we follow a recipe, and dear Hunny, just 3 eggs, not 70. They grabbed flour, butter, and a pinch of salt, then mixed until Grandma said stop. "Now it's time to put the cookies in the oven," said Grandma Mary. Hunny was ready to eat a whole dozen. Elle exclaimed, "I heard the oven go ding!" She raced to grab the cookies with a hop and a spring. Out came the treats, and they smelled heavenly. Grandma topped them with strawberry jelly and a dash of powdered sugar. They munched and crunched happily, enjoying every bite. After all, sharing with friends is the sweetest part of tea time. Grandma Mary smiled and said, "See, my little ones, we bake these with love, and that's the most important ingredient of all." The end. Come back for our next book, Hunny and Koko's Airplane Adventure.